Welcome back to this video. If you have Gmail app or you have Gmail on your phone or on your PC, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the reason why your Gmail is always run out of storage and how you can simply fix it. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Gmail app. Then after you open up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the top corner. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on storage right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean up space. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on Gmail. That's going to take you right here. Now, by default, email with large attachments. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down and check out all the email with large attachment file. The more you scroll down, the more you see them. These are all the large attachment file. Like this one right here, it's about 22 megabytes. Then scroll down, but here you need to make sure that the information you want to delete is no longer useful. So you need to be very much sure of that so that you don't lose messages. So the more you scroll down, the more you see email with large file right here. So take a look at this one here and this one here. So you can scroll down and check and do proper review. Take a look at this one right here. So I'm going to simply select on this. Then I will simply scroll down and I'm going to select on this. So you can select as many as possible. I'm going to select on this. So continue to scroll down and select this. Continue to scroll down. So I'm going to select this. So you can select as many as possible. Once you select them, you can see right here, I'm saving about 95.7 megabyte file. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to trash them and delete completely. So delete 7 items. This will permanently delete emails and attach. What you need to do is to simply click on here to check. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on permanently delete. You got 95.7 megabytes page back into your storage. Then right here, click on not now. Then you can scroll more. So you take a look at this one right here. These are another storage right here with attachment, about 89.84 megabytes. So you can scroll down right here and click on show more. So the more you scroll down, the more you see a lot of mail with attachment. This is one of the reasons why your Gmail always run out of storage. So what you need to do is to review and delete them one after the other. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply fix running out of storage in your Gmail account. So you can see right here, I'm going to save another 87.5 megabytes. So I'll click on here, then I'll make sure I click on here to select. Then I'll make sure I click on here to permanently delete. I save another 87 megabytes. Then I will simply close on that. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.